In today's video, I'm going to be making some fajitas, steak and chicken fajitas for dinner. If you're interested in seeing how I make them, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? We're going to be cooking in this video. So I am not a chef or anything, but I'm just going to show you how I cook my fajitas. I thought I'd make this video to give you some inspiration in case you're like me, tired of cooking and eating the same thing. So I just wanted to try something that I hadn't prepared in a while. So this steak and chicken I picked up at Walmart is already pre-cooked. So all I really need to do is warm it up. And I got those peppers from Dollar Tree. And I got some flour tortillas. And we're going to have it with some brown rice. And I didn't realize this was whole grain brown rice. But oh well. So I'm going to be using my griddle. I set it to like 250. And now I'm going to add some olive oil. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Ms. V. My content is focused on budget-friendly ideas. And what I'm showing you here is my little hack I did because the little grease catcher, it broke. So to keep from buying another griddle, I just put that little bowl under there. So that's a little hack to save money because I have other things to spend my money on, like paying down debt. So back to what I was saying, if you're new to my channel, I focus on budget-friendly content. Check out my little apron I picked up at Aldi's. It had gather, but I added let's gather with Miss V using my Cricut machine. So let's get back to the regularly scheduled program, which is preparing these fajitas for dinner because I am hungry. So I've added some olive oil. I'm just letting it heat up. And then I'll just add my meat. I wanted chicken fajitas and my husband wanted steak. So that's why I'm cooking two different types. So I'm only going to use half of the bag because I don't eat a lot. But with my husband, I'll use the entire bag. That way he can have as many as he like. Because I have to work the next 3 days. So I was just preparing this so you can have something to eat. Because we get tired of eating out. So this is the easiest way. So if you like budget-friendly content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom of the video. And right now I'm uploading daily because I have some goals for my channel. So right now I'm uploading daily and I try to keep my videos under 10 minutes. So what I'm doing right here is cutting the chicken strips up because I don't like the long chicken strips. So you'll find all kind of things on my channel. My channel really is a lifestyle channel. I focus on ways to help you save money. I also do trash to treasure videos, thrift store videos, Dollar Tree hauls, Aldi hauls. Every now and then I'll make a video talking about something personal that's going on, but that's not often. And I'm also documenting my debt-free journey here on this channel. So I have my steak and chicken all prepared, and now I'm waiting on my rice to get done. And then we can plate these fajitas and rice and do a taste test before I let you guys go. So I'm going to make me a wrap. I use the salsa, sometimes ranch dressing, but today I want the salsa in mine. Wrap it like an envelope, however you say it. And I like to cut mine in half. All right, let's do a taste test. I don't know about this rice. It looks like some rice that you'll get like at a Mexican restaurant. Actually, I added some salt and butter. I'm frowning up because it's whole grain. But it actually turned out good. The fajitas are good. Yes. I can't talk with food in my mouth. Gotta chew my food up. So that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. I just want to stop by and give you some ideas on something different to prepare for lunch or dinner. The rice is pretty good. I'm frowning up because it's whole grain. But anyway, it's pretty good. So that's gonna conclude this video. So this is Miss V. I'm gonna always show you love. I'm gonna help you save on some of the things you need, so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day. Yeah, I'm still talking in this video. But I end up having to do a voiceover because I don't like the way the microphone sounds on my phone. So I had to attach my other microphone and do this voiceover. So that's why I'm talking, so y'all won't think I'm crazy. Thank you and have a nice day.